Hey, oh, child. I am up to something, as always. I got another plan.
Something off of
another
Walmart.
idea. It was going to be on Amazon at first, but then Walmart. Okay, guys, so now we can open this box up, baby. Let's do this. So, y'all. My bad. I'm kicking my thing. But, I am bored. And I am no longer working from home. You want to know why? You can definitely leave a comment below, and if enough of you inquire, I'll upload a separate video. Alright, so okay, that's all. Just a box and another box. Alright, y'all, so this is another idea I'm gonna come up with. Well, I ain't come up with it. A lot of girls are doing it, but I like press-on nails, right? And because I like press-on nails, I'm sorry, all the sound is horrible. I do apologize, child. And don't mind my hair. I just took that strap off, so my things is all over the place. I tried to lay it down, but it didn't work. So guys, I decided, since I don't like spending $80 to $100 on getting my nails done, I went from doing that to actually going to buy press-on nails that were super cute and just putting them on and stuff. Like, I got them done, but now I decided, which these are press-ons. Don't mind them, because this was white. This was a white nail, but I changed it black, but now the polish is coming off. But this is the only hand that got all my nails on this still. I had them on for 2 weeks, so don't laugh at me, but they're a mess now. But I decided, you know what? It's a lot of girls out here that either can't afford to get their nails done and still want to be cute, or just don't know how to polish them, or whatever the case may have you. But I have a problem with finding really, really cute press-on nails at the store. And so when I do find them, it's very rare. Can you stop? Cat, go on. I ain't playing with you. It's very rare, and so I want to be consistent. So I'm like, you know what? Why not do my own press-on sets? And then if I get good at it, which I'm about to teach myself, because y'all know I be liking to teach myself stuff. So I done ordered this kit, right? I'm just opening shit, not telling y'all. Okay, so they didn't even give me nothing. So I ordered this kit, and I'm finna insert a picture of everything I ordered. This is for your gel nails, to dry your gel nails. So, and it's a panda. It's cute. This whole kit was under $30. So hopefully it's not as cheap as the price. Here's the operation instructions for the nail kit. For the LED light right here. And then this is the LED light itself right here, which is kind of cool, huh? It's cute. I like that. And for a better view, guys, I'm not sure if you caught that. So this is the blue lights right here, and it has 3 settings: 120, 90, and 60 seconds. And they gave me a file, and also looks like a cuticle pusher. I got that tool. I don't know what it's called, but I know you use that to put these rhinestones on, which they gave me 2 of them as well. They gave me a pack of nail brushes, which is cool for polishing and all that good stuff. And then these, I'm not sure of. I'm assuming they're like decorative strips that you can add to your nails. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, let me know. They gave me a 4-step buffer for your nail. They gave me the separator for toes and nails if I decide to actually do my own. And then the brush thingy-majig. They gave me a drill as well in here, which is cool little hand drill thing. And it came with the 6 different heads to it. So that was all for under $30, guys. So I cannot wait to start this journey of making my own nail sets. I will be doing little videos in between to show you guys. So hopefully I just can teach myself and become raw and better at it, because that's the challenge. I'm gonna do it myself challenge. I don't know how to draw. I suck at art, but we definitely gonna try to get this money. Let's see if I can turn this into a business, y'all. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching anyway. Like and subscribe. just can teach myself and become raw and better at it.
I just came to rock the crowd.
See if I can
Hide it in the cloud.